Okay, in this video we're checking out this GNB Lipo. It's a 750 milliamp hour 4S. The typical 80 to 160C. It's a blue and gray one. I have a bunch of these ones in the 550 size. I typically fly my 5-inch micros in, and the reason I'm making this video on this particular battery is I'm going to be starting more of a focus on micros that are going to be under the 250 gram weight limit. There's like a lot of restrictions in a lot of countries, and if you're under the 250 gram limit, then including the battery, of course, then it's considered a toy and not regulated, I guess, in terms of FAA or whatever country you're in. So I'm going to be using my frame here as an example. In this build, here's a fairly light build, and this battery here together is going to be under 250 grams. And there's going to be, I'm going to have a bunch of these 3-inch setups here with HD video recording, and I think this battery is going to be, I think we're going to be using this battery a lot. And just want to show you some of the weight here, so you guys know what's going on. Okay, so this battery is coming in at about 90.4 grams, and then this 3-inch micro, which is the crossbow frame built out. If you want to see the video on this, by the way, I'll put a card in the corner. It's 130 grams, and then of course with the battery we're coming in at 221.8 grams, so definitely under the 250 gram limit. And we're going to see, not in this video, I'm going to be having other videos later on with this together, but in terms of flight time, I know that I flew something kind of similar, and it was kind of an older video, with an 850, which was actually, I think it was over 250 grams with the 850, on a different setup with some slightly bigger motors. I think that went 12 minutes of flight time. So this is probably going to be a little bit less, but yeah, just to give you an idea, I think we're going to probably, this setup here is probably going to get you, I'm estimating, I don't know, 7-8 minutes of flight time at least. Now the test that I'm going to show you for this video is actually on a 4-inch, which is obviously going to be over 250 grams. But I made a change on this particular 4-inch drone. This is one that you haven't seen in a while. This is the Litis RC Cicada 180. I swapped out these motors here. They were some 1407 3500 kV motors on there before, and now we have some, I think these are 1406s. Sunny Sky motors from King Kong at 1406, and these are 3600 kV. So I'm thinking that this is going to be a little bit more efficient than what I was flying before. So you'll see a flight demo of this battery on this particular setup here. I think I got about 8 minutes or so. Can't remember exactly, but yeah, you'll see the flight demo for that. But this battery you're going to see a lot more of in other 3-inch micro builds that I'll be putting out. So you'll be seeing more probably bind and flies, and also some more custom builds in a 3-inch setup with this battery. So you'll have sort of a range of an idea of what to expect from this. So for all of you guys that are interested in the under 250 gram sort of, what could potentially be built or bought and flown with the battery that won't fall under the regulations in your particular country. So I got a lot of interest in that. A lot of people were asking me to focus more on the under 250 gram category, which is, I guess that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'll be probably testing out some other batteries as well. I think there's a iFlight battery that's also in the 750 milliamp hour range as well. Yeah, you'll see me seeing more of these type of videos anyway. But let me show you the measurements of this battery. Some people will ask 28.2 by 30 by 60.9, and this particular one does come with an XT30 connector. Anyway, so I'll show you some flight footage from this on the 4-inch, and yeah, we'll see more videos. This battery with a bunch of other 3-inch drones in the future. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions for future videos on this sort of focus on the under 250 gram category, let me know in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.